Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily create a new album in your photos on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. And if you haven't subscribed my channel so far, then make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. So first of all, open up the Photos app on your iPhone. Now all you'll have to do is to tap on albums, and then you'll have to tap on the plus icon on the top left corner and then tap on new album. Now you'll be asked to enter a name for this album. For example, I will simply tap you can type any name according to your choice. After that, tap on save, and you can add any videos or photos from this album section, or you can skip this step. Now you can see there is a new album with the name of Tutorial Fusion that I've just created right here, and you can add something by tapping on add on the top right, and you can customize it by according to yourself. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank